Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Higher Mathematics class chapter 8. In this class I am going to discuss about trigonometric ratios. Let's join with me. First, trigonometric ratios of acute angle. Look at the figure. You can see a right angle triangle. Here OPQ is a right angle triangle with right angle Q. And we know opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse of the triangle. Okay, so here OP is the hypotenuse, and if we take this angle POQ as theta, then therefore OQ is the adjacent side and PQ is the perpendicular. In the right angle triangle, the side opposite to the angle is perpendicular and the side adjacent to the angle is called base. So here OQ is base and PQ is perpendicular. Okay. Now in triangle OPQ, the trigonometrical ratios of acute angle theta, sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, cotangent are defined below. Sine theta, sine is the short form of sine. Sine theta, we know sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. In Bengali, you can say sine theta is equal to লম্ব বাই ভূমি। আমরা এটা খুব সহজে মনে রাখার জন্য একটা ছোট ছড়া মনে রাখতাম। ছড়াটা হলো সাগরে লবণ আছে। সাগর সাইন, লম্ব লবণ লম্ব আর আছে অতিভুজ। তাহলে সাইন এর সাথে রিলেটেড লম্ব আর অতিভুজ, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay, and you know ratio of cos base by hypotenuse. So here base is OQ and hypotenuse is OP. এটা বাংলাতে আমরা মনে রাখার জন্য পড়ি কবরে ভূত আছে। কবর কস, ভূতে হচ্ছে ভূমি আর আছে হচ্ছে অতিভুজ। তাহলে আমরা খুব সহজে মনে রাখতে পারবো কসের রেশিওটা কবরে ভূত আছে। And we know tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular is PQ and base is OQ. এটা বাংলাতে মনে রাখার জন্য আমরা মনে রাখতাম টেরা লম্বা ভূত। তাহলে আমাদের ছড়াটা কি হলো, সাগরে লবণ আছে, কবরে ভূত আছে, টেরা লম্বা ভূত। টেরা হলো ট্যান, লম্ব আর ভূমি। টেরা লম্বা ভূত, লম্বাতে লম্ব আর ভূতে হচ্ছে ভূমি। ওকে, তাহলে আমরা সাইন কস ট্যান এর রেশিও গুলো আমরা খুব সহজে মনে রাখতে পারবো। সাগরে লবণ আছে, লম্ব বাই অতিভুজ। কবরে ভূত আছে, কস ভূমি বাই অতিভুজ, টেরা লম্বা ভূত। ট্যান হলো লম্ব বাই ভূমি। ওকে, এখন এই তিনটা মনে রাখতে পারলে বাকি তিনটা আমরা ইজিলি মনে রাখতে পারবো, কারণ কোসেক হলো সাইনের অপোজিট, সাইন থিটা ইকুয়াল টু 1 বাই কোসেক থিটা, অথবা কোসেক থিটা ইকুয়াল টু 1 বাই সাইন থিটা। কস হলো সেকের অপোজিট, সেক থিটা ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1 বাই কস থিটা, কস থিটা ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 1 বাই সেক থিটা। এবং ট্যান হলো কটের অপোজিট, তাহলে কট কি হবে 1 by tan ভূমি বাই লম্ব। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার? Look carefully, here denominator is OP and OP is the hypotenuse, and we know hypotenuse is the greatest side of the triangle. So this ratio does not exceed 1 because OP is the greatest side of the triangle. Okay, here also denominator is OP, so value of cos does not exceed also 1. Okay, so from this two ratio you can say that range of sine does not exceed 1 and cos also. But here you can see that perpendicular by base, কিন্তু perpendicular তো বেজের চেয়ে বড় হতেই পারে, তাহলে এই রেশিওটার ভ্যালু 1 এর চেয়ে বড় হতে পারে। 1 এর চেয়ে কত বড় হবে? 1 এর চেয়ে বড় ইনফিনিটি পর্যন্ত হতে পারে। অ্যাঙ্গেলটা যত বড় হবে বেসটা তত ছোট হবে, হাইটটা তত বেড়ে যাবে। অ্যাঙ্গেলটা যদি 90 ডিগ্রি হয়ে যায় তাহলে দেখো কত বড় হয়ে যেতে পারে। সো তখন ইনফিনিটি হয়ে যাবে। ওকে, তখন এই রেশিওর ভ্যালুটা ইনফিনিটি হয়ে যাবে। ওকে, now cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. Here hypotenuse is OP and perpendicular is PQ. So OP by PQ, and we can write OP by PQ is equal to 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base, opposite of cos. So sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, now we get sin theta is equal to PQ by OP, and cos theta is equal to OQ by OP. Now sin theta by cos theta, we can write this two ratio, and we can write this is equal to this, and now cancelling OP we get PQ by OQ, and we can write in place of PQ by OQ is equal to tan theta. So therefore we get tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and we know cot theta is equal to 1 by tan, therefore cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Clear? I hope it is. Now coordinate system. First quadrant, we take any ray, take any point on this ray P of xy, and draw a perpendicular from P to OX, Pn. Okay, therefore if this point is P of xy, therefore this length ON is equal to x, and this length Pn is equal to y. Okay, and we get a right angle triangle here, PNO. Therefore hypotenuse is equal to square root of x square plus y square, and we take hypotenuse is equal to r. Here we get x positive, y positive, and r positive. So all ratios are positive. Perpendicular hypotenuse, perpendicular base, base hypotenuse, all ratios are positive. So here all ratios are positive. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, all these ratios are positive here in first quadrant. Okay, now in second quadrant, we take an array and take any point on it, P of minus xy, and draw a perpendicular Pn to OX. Therefore ON is equal to minus x, and Pn is equal to y, and we get hypotenuse is equal to this. Here r and y are positive, but x is negative. So here r, that means hypotenuse and perpendicular are positive, but base are negative. So ratios between these two positive terms will be positive. Then therefore we get sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse y by r. This ratio is positive. Again cosec theta hypotenuse by perpendicular, that means r by y. This ratio also positive. Other ratios are negative here. So in second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, others are negative. Okay, similar in third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, others ratio are negative here. Because base and perpendicular both are negative here, so their ratio will be positive, except these two other ratio will be negative here. So in third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Okay, clear? Now in fourth quadrant, here base is positive, perpendicular is negative. So ratios between base and hypotenuse will be positive. Therefore cos theta is equal to x by r is positive ratio, and cosec theta is equal to r by x. This also positive. So in fourth quadrant, ratio of cos and sec are positive here. Okay. Now conclusion. In first quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. And in fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Range of first quadrant is 0 to 90 degree. Range of second quadrant 90 degree to 180 degree. Range of third quadrant 180 to 270 degree, and range of fourth quadrant is 270 to 360. Okay. Now formula 1, we have to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It's very easy to prove. Let sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we know ratio of sine is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is y and hypotenuse is r, so y by r, and ratio of cos is base by hypotenuse. So here base is x and hypotenuse is r. Squaring and adding this two, we get y square plus x square, and we get from here y square plus x square is equal to r squares. Now cancelling r square, you get 1. Therefore you get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, we can also prove formula 2 and 3. Formula 2 is x square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and formula 3 is cos square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We have to memorize this 3 formula. Okay. Let's see a problem of exercise 2. Problem 2. If cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 and theta is greater than pi and less than 3 pi by 2. We know pi is equal to 180 degree and 3 pi by 2 is equal to 270 degree. Then find the value of tan theta and sin theta. That means theta lies in third quadrant, more than 180, less than 270. That means theta lies in third quadrant. Okay. Now in third quadrant, tan is positive and sin is negative. Okay. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore sin theta is equal to plus minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta. But we know in third quadrant sin theta is negative. Therefore we get sin theta is equal to minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now putting the value of cos theta, we get this, and calculating this, we get minus 3 by 5. We get ratio of sine negative here. Okay. Again we know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. We get value of sin theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 and value of cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 given. Now cancelling minus minus, we get plus, and cancelling 5, we get 3 by 4. Okay. Therefore ratio of tan is equal to 3 by 4. Clear? I hope it is. This is all for today. Thank you.